if you want to scan documents to PDF on your iPhone 16e, first of all, let's open up our notes. Great. Now we're gonna press on create new note right here. All right, so now tap on this three dots. Now tap on this paperclip icon and choose scan documents. Great, now position your document in view and it will take it automatically. If you need another scan, simply flip it over and you'll get another scan. Also, you can apply some filter and choose your liking if you need it. Great. So when you're done, simply press save. As we see, we have our scanned document here. So now you can send it or save it to files. You can share it. Let's choose save to files option. So as you see, our scanned document is right here. Let's name it Hi. And let's press save. Now, if you're gonna open up our files, press browse, or simply let's do that through recents. Here's our document. Let's find our info, and as you see, it's saved in PFD. And basically that's it. Also, you can send it, you can share it through your AirDrop, mail, or any kind of messenger. And that's how you do this. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.